Are you having trouble figuring out whether 3/4 is greater than 5/8? Don't worry, comparing fractions is easy once you know the steps. In this video, we'll show you how to compare fractions and determine which is greater. First, let's review the basic concept of fractions. A fraction represents a part of a whole. The top number of the fraction, called the numerator, represents the number of parts we have, while the bottom number, called the denominator, represents the total number of parts in the whole. To compare fractions, we need to make sure they have the same denominator. In this case, we can convert 3/4 to an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 8 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 2. This gives us 6/8. Now we can compare 6/8 to 5/8, which have the same denominator. To do this, we look at the numerators of each fraction. Since 6 is greater than 5, we know that 6/8 is greater than 5/8. So the answer to our question is yes, 3/4 is greater than 5/8. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.